Get the cinematronic.
Time's running out too fast. Dark is the sky, my only light is vanishing.
I'm trying to find the master cylinder right here. Oh, yeah, I feel like it.
Oh my goodness.
Where you are, oh, oh, where are you, where are you, oh, oh, where you are, oh, oh, where are you, where are you.
So this is the Custom Cages Evo 10 R4 FIA kit. Everything looks really nice. The cuts are super clean. No slag at all. Might just hit the ends with a little bit of Scotch-Brite. Alright, so this is the exact reason why I wanted to make this video. Main hoop part 1. Sure, that looks like it fits. Main hoop part 2. You know, when I'm not holding the camera. Sure, that fits. Main hoop part 3. Where in anywhere does this thing supposed to fit? I don't know. I guess I'll have to email them. Let's scan over to this side. Not exactly bent at 90, so it doesn't fit there. A little bit off, well, quite a bit off over there. Part 3. So maybe a little bit of tweaking. I'll send them an email, see what they say, and also figure out where this piece goes, because that just makes 0 sense. Anyway, let's see how the main hoop fits.
Please don't try to wake me up, don't you wanna go with me? Please don't try to wake me up.
Well, I guess let's close the door here. I guess this gap isn't too bad. Come up here, I mean, that's a whole hand. That's not super ideal. Let's kind of scared now.
I'm gonna jump up the roof with my brand new wings. I will say hello to the sun. Please don't try to wake me up.
Well, after getting both door bars, the 8 pillars fit, you know, relatively close up towards the head, and it's still a little scary. I mean, me personally, I would have liked them, you know, more up here, you know, give you a little bit more headroom, so the main hoop would have been taller. But as far as like driver view, you know, it stays pretty in line with the A-pillar. There is a gusset that goes here, follows to the floor pretty well. So here's the next fun game of this Tetris puzzle.
With my brand new wings, I will say goodbye to the ground. I'm gonna jump up the roof with my brand new wings. I will say hello to the sun. Please don't try to wake me up. Don't you wanna go?
Another tip before I forget, make sure to tack it spot where you can cut the tap.
Try to wake me up, don't you wanna let go with me? Please don't try to wake me up, don't you wanna jump with me?
Lo and behold, still doesn't fit. I don't know. Why don't you fit? I give up. I don't know what is going on. Super frustrating. Super frustrating. So I was putting this together the way that I would normally put one of my cages together, which is the main hoop, then the A-pillar bars, then the door bars, and then work on the rear stay. Well, step one in the instructions, fit rear stays to main hoop. Didn't do that. Put the A-pillar bars on and immediately started going for the door bars. Super frustrated. Nothing fit. I feel so stupid. I was getting so worked up. That being said, I've put the rear stays this, the A-pillar, now the windshield bar, and I haven't tried the door bars. So maybe I'm making this video a little too soon, but let's see what happens. Okay, quick end of the night update. As you can see, I've got the rear stays, main hoop, A-pillar bars. I wasted like an hour and I feel really stupid. I guess step one, they should read instructions extremely carefully and or read instructions at all.